You're really into your hands right now. Yeah. They must not taste too good though because of the bath water. Gee, look at those feet. We are just so comfortable in our bath. Look at that. I love you. I love Jack. I love Jack. You smile every time I say that. I love Jack. Yes, I do. Goodness. All right, I think it's time to turn off the camera. Okay? We need to get a good cleaning. Okay? One more time. I love Jack. I love Jack. I love you. Okay. Time to get a bath. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.